And player number 2, it is Florence May Madulik. And now, your players for the Photon Tornadoes, starting with player number 1, it's Villa Caballos. And player number 2 is Patty Orendain.
Wala. Service.
First set action between Beneco and the Photon Tornadoes. Earlier, nakita natin ang unang dalawang laban. Nanalo ang Gilligans laban sa Signal HD Spikers, Danica Andrauli, and of course, Nora Jane Diaz beating Cha Cruz and Nick Laborte. In our second game, nanalo naman ang Photon Hurricanes, si Beatan and Pau Soriano, defeating Phil Kainglet Cayetano and Alexa Maichek. First set action here after game of day 1 ng ating hostilities. Dito pa rin po sa ating PSL Beach Volleyball Challenge Cup 2015. Unang puntos nakuha ng Blue Shirts.
So Cindy Benitez tried for that soft kick, kaya lang masyadong nahina. He didn't go over the net.
On serve pa rin dito ang Photon Tornadoes. Ceballos. Orendain. Off speed galing dito kay Ceballos. 2 puntos na para dito sa Photon Tornadoes.
Well, that was mistimed again by Cindy Benitez. The thing is, kapag tumatama kasi siya sa net, you have to wait for it muna kung paano siya magbabounce. Hindi mo unahan sa ilalim.
Viola Ceballos still on serve for Photon. Beneco trying to attack. Naipasok naman ng bola rito ng red shirts. Ceballos setting up Patty Orendain. Patty Orendain scoring for Photon.
And smart move from Patty Orendain. Seeing the 2 players from Beneco, nakapwesto na sila dun sa may harap. So, she went for that long hit.
This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE, for a happy family. 2 touches ang itinawag dito. Laban sa red shirts. Puntos muli para dito sa kupunan ng Photon. 4-0. Talaan here in the first set. Beneco looking for its first point dito sa ating kompetisyon. Pati Orendain, Ceballos, Orendain. Sumilip. Sumubok ng drop. Ceballos. Ceballos attacking. Overcooking. Unang puntos para dito sa Beneco.
And that's out. Point for Beneco.
Mula sa bago itong kupunan ng red shirts. Ang Photon Tornadoes naman, isa sa 2 kupunan ng Photon in this 4 Saturday event. Red shirts scrambling, the red shirts giving up that last point. Photon Tornadoes on top 5-1.
Again, that was a net violation. So, may mga miscues na ginagawa yung team ng Beneco.
Nasakit yan, ano?
Yeah, kasi it's a simple mistake.
Nakikita natin dito in the course of the last 2 games sa ating unang 2 laro bago itong Beneco versus Photon. Nakita ko yung endurance, napaka-importante.
Oh yeah, especially with the heat. Tapos yung, alam naman natin, it's harder to jump in the sand.
We talk about the heat. Nagsimula po kami ng aksyon dito alas 2 ng hapon. Kasagsagan. Pero kanina pa pong umaga, naglalaro itong ating mga atleta. We have 13 teams in the women's tournament. At pagdating naman sa men's competition, ay marami rin tayong mga kasama, 9 teams total sa ating men's event. Beneco serving. This serve is brought to you by Smart. Live more. Service error para dito sa red shirts. Change over na tayo after the first 7 points kasamang Denise. Ceballos para dito sa Photon scoring ace.
Well, that was a good serve. You know, we can see at least Photon attacking from the service line. And that's very important dahil less energy yung ina-exert nila dito.
Yan ang sinabi mo, pacing and understanding kung ano ang kinakailangan bilang ang ilalabas. And 2 straight aces para dito kay Viola Ceballos. Photon Tornadoes, 8 points. 2 points naman dito ang red shirts ng Beneco. Good service reception para dito sa red shirts. Subalit ang kanilang atake ay hindi tatawid.
So we can see itong si Florence Madulid rather was saying to Cindy Benitez medyo malayo sa net kaya nahirapan siya mag-adjust.
Pag pinag-usapan natin dito yung communication kasamang Denise, napaka-vital yan.
Oh,
Dahil
yes.
ilang timeout lang ba maitatawag mo dito? At matibay, tilisin ang init, tilisin ang sansag. Sa hangin, this Ultra Fast 5 is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Alternating servers to kasamang Denise.
Yes.
Oo.
Florence
Benefit
May
of
Madulit now serving for Beneco.
At pagdating po ng 21 points total, yan naman po ang first technical timeout. Hustle play coming in para dito kay Patty Orandain, pero ang puntos tama, mapupunta pa rin para sa Photon. Patty Orandain serving para dito sa blue shirts. Tayo nasa buwan na ng Hulyo kasamang Denise, pero dito sa Wall of Asia talagang sapul na sapul tayo
Oo.
ng tindi ng init.
Sobrang init.
At yung init na yan probably hounding the red shirts for change once again. The red shirts only scoring 3 points. Photon Tornadoes pulling away, now ahead by 8 points at 11 versus 3. Ito yung mga gulang move ni Patty Orandain,
Yeah.
slowly walking towards the service
Yeah,
line.
Yeah, to catch your breath, of course.
So, this service brought to you by Smart.
Minus 33.
Big more. Patty Orandain, binangga lang yun, kanti lang. Orandain getting that ball up. Oops! Sinubukang hulugan ng Ceballos. Si Wallet hindi tatawid.
Yeah, sayang yung point na yun, but that was actually really smart move dahil alam niya rin na malayo pa itong players ng Beneco.
Denise, tinanong kita kanina bago tayo magsimula kung naglalaro ka ng beach volleyball. Sabi mo, ayaw.
Hindi naman sa ayaw. Medyo hindi
Ayaw.
lang capable yung...
Okay.
Hindi lang ako capable maglaro sa sand.
Anong qualities na kailangan? Bilis?
Mabilis,
Bilis?
mataas tumalon,
Okay.
or maganda yung core
Mabilis ka
actually.
naman ah. At mataas ka tumalon.
Oo, pag mga
Oops.
fast forward, ganun.
Oo, eto, sumubok mag-fast forward itong si Patty Orandain, pero yung kanyang drop shot ay hindi pumasok. 6 serving 11, Beneco with 6 points. Yan po ang red shirts.
Now serving.
Cindy Benitez serving para dito sa Beneco. Oh, nice.
Off
Speed
the back.
para dito kay
Good enough
Patty
for
Orandain.
Photon.
But that was that could have been easily be gotten by by Beneco kasi madali lang, malapit lang yung bola, but miscommunication. Again.
Good reception para dito sa Beneco and a good cross-court winner produced itong si Cindy
Ball
Benitez.
placement is good.
Pero tignan mo yung tukod itong si Cindy Benitez pagkatapos ng puntos na yun.
Florence May Madulit
This Ultra
serving.
Fast Pack is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Florence May Madulit serving earlier. Attack error here nangyari para kay Fiola Ceballos.
Well, Ceballos wanted to go for that hard hit dahil nakita naman niya na napansin niya sunod-sunod yung mga soft hits niya, hindi na pumapasok.
Minsan kasi gusto mo ihulog lang dahil alam mo mahirap habulin. Kaya lang, mas importante maipasok mo. Service mula ulit kay Madulid. Masagot naman dito ng blue shirts. Drop shot. Pinakawalan nitong si Benitez. And then, that's a nice spike. Nice point scored by Fiola Ceballos.
It's now technical timeout.
Ito ang ating first technical timeout. Kami po ay magbabalik dito sa set 1.
Tulad nga ng sinabi niyo, Coach Ronnie and Denise, tulad ang Baguio nga, galing sila ng Baguio, ang parehong kupunan natin galing sa Baguio, itong kupunan ng Beneco, at dahil dyan medyo naninibago pa raw sila sa temperature change dahil daw lamig, tapos biglang init. And similarly, hindi tulad ng ibang kupunan natin dito sa PSL Beach Volleyball, parehong kupunan ng players natin na si Cindy at Florence, sanay sila sa larong beach volleyball sa Baguio, at malaking factor din daw ang pag-adjust nila sa temperature. Nonetheless, ang dalawa daw ang mag-prepare dahil ilalabas to nila ang kanilang puso at tiyaga para sa larong ito. Balik sa inyo.
Mitch, giniginaw sila sa init o naiinitan sila sa lamig? Hindi ko pa nakita yung laro sa Baguio, pero I'm sure that is only a 4-hour drive now dahil nga sa T-Plex at Esitex dyan sa may NLEX. Di ba? Tama!
Tama.
Oo, tama. At ito, tama ang Photon Tornadoes. 7 points ang kanilang kalamangan. Tawa ka ng tawa. Hirap na hirap ang ating mga manlalaro dito sa init. Naghahanap ng lamig dito ang Beneco, pero mainit ang Photon Tornadoes. Nasa result, muntik tumama sa amin ni Denise yung bola, pero di alintana. 8-point margin para dito sa Photon Tornadoes.
That was a good hit, and that's why itong ang kupunan ng Photon Tornadoes, they're trying to mix it up dahil nababasa na rin ng Beneco yung mga soft hits. And when they go for that hard hit, hindi nakayanan nitong si Florence Madulid.
Oo, at itong si Madulid nagkaroon ng isang attack error doon. Minsan kasi bago ka tumalon, bumabaon yung paa mo. At kasama po yan sa pagsubok dito sa beach volleyball. Best of 3 sets. First 2 sets up to 21. Final set kung abutin. Race to 15. Pati Orendain. That nice and strong serve. Atake si Madulid. Madulid scores of the against the defense of the Tornadoes.
And you know what I like about what Madulid did was that even before she went for that attack, sinilip niya muna. And nakita niya again, nakapasok itong defenders ng Photon. Kaya pumunta siya. She targeted the corner.
Dito po sa beach volleyball, walang attack line na tinatawag. Live po yan mula sa gitna, sa harap, sa likod. And ito, gamit oras, si Florence May Madulid sa kanyang tangka mag-serve at ilipit ang Beneco dito sa Photon Tornadoes. Orendain setting up. Itong si Ceballos. Good dig coming from the red shirts. At Orendain sumipat, pumalo, matake, will score for
So
the
good for the Photon Tornadoes.
Miscommunication from the side of Beneco. Parehas naman silang malapit sa bola, but then again, they weren't really sure who's gonna get the ball.
At itong red shirts, umaasa na matipigil nila itong blue shirts bago makarating ng 21 points. Instead, it is still a double-digit lead for the blue shirts of Ceballos and Pati.
Ceballos still serving for the Photon
This serve is
Tornadoes.
brought to you by Smart. Live more. Ceballos.
Good serve.
Attacking Madulid. Madulid. Hindi na itawid yung bola ron, Denise.
Oh, you know what happened there? Kinuha yung first ball, pero yung second ball, nung sinet up, mas malayo pa sa net. So,
Palayo, ano? Di
nahirapan
palapit.
tuloy yung attacker kasi yung motion niya going forward.
It's about 19 degrees sa Baguio recently kasamang Denise.
And here,
That is nowhere close dito
Yeah.
sa ating init dito. Pero bago natin pag-usapan ang palikasan, 21-9, first set win para dito sa Photon Tornado.